Hi friends, in this video we are going to unbox a sunflower chainsaw. This is the chainsaw. You can get it from Amazon and our own app Samnantools. You can buy this chainsaw from Samnantools and as well as from the Amazon.in. And this is a 58cc chainsaw. And we are going to unbox it, and you can see all the specification here, and you can see the power and the capacity of the chainsaw. You can see this is a 58cc chainsaw, and now when we are opening, you can see a chain cover bar is available. This is to protect the chain from external problems, and you can see this is the chain bar. It's 18-inch chain bar. And this is a tool bag, and we will get some accessories along with this, a chain and a spanner for placing this bar and everything, and a chainsaw file is available, and a chain guard is available, and a screwdriver is available. And now we can remove this thermocol and we can see the catalog, and you can see the information about the chainsaw here. Okay, petrol can is available. You can use it for filling petrol and oil along with this. Do not use petrol itself. Mix a 2T oil along with the petrol. Okay, and now this is a brake set of chainsaw, and we are protecting the chain with this brake set, and you can see this is a well packed cover. Okay, now we are removing it, and we can fix the chain protector, and we can fix the chain, and this is accelerator of the chain. And switch off the chainsaw. When we start the chainsaw, make sure to switch on and you can kick start. Now we are filling petrol. Do not fill the petrol. You must mix the oil with the petrol, then only you can use this chainsaw, otherwise it will defect this cylinder and crank. Now we are fixing the engine protector. You can fix with this Allen's. You can just tight with the Allen. Now just remove these nuts. Remove the nuts and we can fix the chain bar. You have to fix the chain bar like this, as you are seeing in the video. And this is a chain, and make sure to fix the chain like this. And there is a socket, and you have to fix the chain inside that socket. And fix the chain like this. And just pull the bar a little front. Okay, now it's fixed. Now just turn and you can see the chain is running on the straight of the guard, so it's we fixed correct. Now you can adjust this chain adjuster and you can put inside that hole. This is for chain adjusting purpose. You can adjust into a correct position and you can fix it on that same hole. Now just close that brake set. And now you can fix the nut and you can just do not tight more. Now just tight the chain. After tightening the chain only you have to fix the nut full. Okay. You have to fix the accelerator like this, and you can see this is the choke lever, and just plus one. Now just click 2 or 3 start, and now it's starting. Now replace the choke and you can use it. Thank you for watching the video. You can purchase all our power tools and accessories from Amazon and also from our own app from the Play Store. You can just download and you can use. Thank you for watching the video.